Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious green tomatillo salsa for your tamales. Yes, step by step how to make this delicious green tomatillo salsa for your delicious and amazing homemade tamales. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious and amazing green tomatillo salsa for your homemade tamales, these are the ingredients. I have cilantro, jalapenos, 4 garlic cloves, tomatillos, chicken bouillon, and this is everything you need to make this delicious and amazing green tomatillo salsa for those amazing fluffy tamales. So let's get started. I want to start here first showing you the tomatillos and the jalapeno. Of course, the garlic cloves. You only need 5 jalapenos and 20 tomatillos, 5 garlic cloves, and then you're ready. Remember to take the skin off of the tomatillos and remember to rinse them really good through running water. Once they're nice and rinsed, just like that, then you are ready to start getting them nice and roasted. Yes, this is the key so that this sauce comes out perfect, thick, delicious, smoky flavor. And of course, you could add it into the filling of your tamales. Of course, this sauce doesn't need any extra ingredients. 3 ingredients, and let me tell you, it's going to come out thick, smooth, and delicious. Well, here I have the jalapenos, I have the tomatillos, and the garlic cloves. Remember, when you put them into your skillet, make sure that the tomatillo has this side down where the stem goes. This is the part that is really rough and takes longer to cook and soften. Of course, your garlic cloves are going to cook much faster, so be careful. You don't want to burn them at all. You really want to wake up those flavors of the garlic and the jalapeno. This sauce doesn't come out spicy, but if you want spicy sauce, just instead of adding jalapeno, add chiles serranos, and they're still going to come out delicious and amazing. After a couple minutes, I'm going to remove the garlic cloves. I don't want to get them nice and burned. I just want them nice and roasted. I'm going to remove it. I am going to go ahead and continue cooking the tomatillos and the jalapenos. This sauce has such an amazing flavor and smoky flavor. It's been about 6 minutes and now I am ready to flip the tomatillos. How do you know when it's time to flip the tomatillos? You could see that the bottom of the tomatillo is getting yellow. Yes, it's getting yellow, and that's when you know that they are ready for you to flip to the other side. Look at this. I am going to flip all the tomatillos. Once you flip them, you are going to cover them and turn off the stove. This is the best part. Let them rest in your skillet. Let them start releasing all the juices and get nice and moist. Remember, a sauce that is roasted tastes amazing. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover it, turn off the stove, and just let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes so that tomatillos get nice and soft and moist. Look at this. Now I am going to go ahead, let them rest for a little bit, and now I am ready to blend. Look how juicy they got. Now on my blender, I am going to add one whole bunch of cilantro. The cilantro is going to give this sauce an amazing color, flavor, and texture. And here I'm adding the chicken bouillon. You could add chicken bouillon, you could add salt. Here I'm adding the 5 garlic cloves nice and roasted. And now I am ready to add the tomatillos and add the jalapenos. There's no need to add anything else, no liquid at all. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. The jalapenos are not spicy at all, but it's going to give the sauce such a delicious flavor. Once you have all the ingredients in here, you are ready to blend. Remember, don't add any liquid. Just like that, we are going to blend. It's going to take a little bit of time, but don't add liquid. The tomatillos are nice and juicy and moist and soft. After a couple minutes, look at the sauce. The color is just amazing. And now look at the texture. It's really thick, really smooth. The color is just perfect. You could add this sauce to chicken. You could add this sauce to queso fresco. You could add some pork into the sauce for amazing filling for tamales. If you run your finger in the center, you'll see that the sauce is not going to spread. You're going to leave a line behind. But this sauce really is so thick and it really goes perfect with the filling into your tamales. Of course, I need to make tamales with queso fresco and add a little bit of the sauce right in the center. Believe me, a little bit goes a long way. You're going to love this amazing sauce. On my channel, you have so many recipes for tamales, filling, and of course, sauces, and of course, masas. But let me tell you, you're going to love this sauce. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. With this amazing green tomatillo salsa, specially made for your tamales, homemade tamales. Of course, you could add this delicious and amazing green tomatillo salsa on pork, on chicken, and of course on rajas or just queso fresco. Fill your tamales with this amazing sauce, thick, smooth, and delicious. Of course, it's not spicy at all, but if you want it nice and spicy, just add serrano chilies. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay, of course, enjoying the salsa and making my unique masa for tamales that you already have on my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.